Hi fellow photographers and filmmakers, my name is Candace Barbot and I will be leading one of the workshops at the 2024 AVC EXPO, which is coming up in March 2nd and 3rd. If you're interested in motion, anything that's moving within the frame, I'm your person. So come attend the workshop. We will be talking about the choices that you make for equipment, what projects require certain tools, what tools are available. We'll have a lot of really cool stuff set up, different cameras set up at this workshop, and we will go do a deep dive into successful projects. What do you need? What do you need to be doing? And how to tell a great story. It's really about structure, and we'll be talking a lot about structures. Bring your project ideas, let's discuss them, and let's discuss what is it that you need. How can I help you to move your passion projects forward? Looking forward to seeing you at the 2024 AVC Expo. See you there.